Good morning, guys, on this beautiful sunny day in Southern California. Check out this place. Look at the mountains. Aren't they beautiful? And there's a nice lake here. It's called Lake Cahuilla. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Guys, we're going to be leaving here shortly, but I thought I'd take you over to this lake and show you how beautiful it is. This is such a nice campground. We're definitely going to come back here and pay the extra $5 and park right on the lake. I highly recommend it. And if you got solar in your RV, you can dry camp over there for $20 right on the lake shore here. Check this out, guys. That beautiful. Hard to say. So the lake is privately owned. You're not allowed to go in it. You can fish off the banks here. Oh, beautiful! Holy smokes, that's a nice fish. And you can look at it. That's about it. But it's still beautiful to look at. So we left Caliente a couple days ago, and we were heading to Salton Sea, but the winds are really high here in Southern California right now. So we actually stayed 2 nights ago, we stayed at the Fantasy Springs Casino. It was just boondocking in the gravel parking lot. And then last night we came here to the lake. It's a campground here, Lake Cahuilla, and it's really beautiful, nice and quiet. There's some hiking trails around here. We're gonna make some breakfast here. We're gonna have some fried potatoes and an omelet with some tomato, cheese, mushrooms, onions. So let's do this. Okay, let's start by chopping up some potato here. There we go. Get some oil. Salt and pepper. All right, so we'll just heat this pan up. Put some olive oil in there. Throw some potatoes in. That guy's a little big. Let's cut him in half. Who's he? You do want to get them at roughly the same size so they all cook evenly. Salt. And pepper. I love pepper. Lots of pepper. Get them golden brown on both sides. Hopefully they'll be crunchy on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. Oh yeah, those are looking good. Oh, those will go. Just about ready. Another couple minutes, we'll come back. Okay, let's chop up some of these mushrooms. They're already sliced, but man, that's a weird way to slice them. Okay, I'll get these ones in a pan and then I'll continue chopping. So get some oil in there. These mushrooms are going to suck all that oil up real fast. There we go. Stir it up, get the oil on them. That's the whole pack. All right, we'll saute. We need some salt. A little bit of pepper. Some butter in there. That smells good. There we go. Okay, we'll come back. See that, guys? See, some of them are going brown. That's the way we want them. Get the water out of there. Ooh, yeah, those are looking good now. See that? Let's take a taste. Oh yeah, those are cooked. I just want to brown them a little more, though. Okay, these mushrooms are finished. They smell delicious. Just gonna put them in this plate. Okay, taste test. Those are yummy. Okay, it's time to build the omelet. Okay, so I'm gonna have some nice Roma tomato. First I'll slice some, and then we're gonna put some in the omelet. I think I'll dice this up. Tiny bit of salt. Tiny bit of pepper. Okay, let's do the eggs now. Season everything. Pepper. Tiny bit of salt. Okay. And now, gonna need some oil in here. That pan's really hot. Which is what I want. Put our egg in there. Okay, my GoPro quit. So let's see here, we get this egg kind of done. Excuse me. Okay, and I'm gonna put some mushrooms on there. These are still hot, so they'll help cook the egg a little bit. That looks good. Put some tomato on there. I think I'll try to leave the seed part out. Doesn't that look great? I think so. And finally, we got some Tex-Mex cheese. Mozzarella, cheddar, Monterey Jack, and jalapeno. Put a little bit of that in here. For our mushroom cheese tomato omelet. I was going to do onion, but I forgot to pull it out, so no onion today. Doesn't that look yummy? So we'll let it cook a little more. It's almost done. Pretty much ready. So I'm gonna just flip this. Let's go like this. Okay, we'll go like this. Come on, get over there. There we go. Get my plate here. I'm gonna try to roll this omelet onto the plate like the French do. There we go. Like that. And then you go like so. And you kind of let it flip over. Boom. Oh, look at that, eh? Perfect. So we got our mushroom, cheese, tomato, onion omelet there. So let's go taste it. Okay, let's try this omelet. Cheers, guys. The first thing I taste is the mushrooms. They're very earthy.
Salsa.
I should have put some chili flakes in the mushrooms. Oh, Anne's asking me if I want salsa. Why not? Make it look pretty. So this is a green Mexican salsa. I don't think it's very hot. Try it with the salsa. Oh, this omelet is so delicious. I was starving. And fresh California avocado. Okay, guys, that was our cooking show for today. So we're gonna clean up we're gonna finish this, clean up our mess, and then we're gonna head out of here to the Salton Sea. I forgot about the potatoes, so we're gonna taste those as well. They're not really warm anymore, but they're still tasty. Oh, these are awesome. Especially with a little green onion. All right. So today we're gonna make some breakfast, and so I hope you guys stick around, and so I hope you guys stick around.